Alright, go to Moscow.
Yes.
The Z21.
A1 to 5, just left on the car.
So, Z21. Remember that. That's where we're going. Okay, so have to go through passport control. And that's what this is. Good stuff. Alright, so I don't know what that is, but that's a big group. Basically, we go and we talk to one of these guys. They look at your passport. I got mine ready. Okay, little update. There was a huge group in front of me that was all going to Denver, and their flight was already about to take off. So they were behind me actually, and they got pushed in front of me. So I talked to a lot of them. It's just kind of funny. They're all going to Denver, and I'm going to Moscow. Anyways, Gate Z, here we come. Lots of lines. Went through that line to get onto this line. Now we go to the plane, I think. Probably a bus. It's at A321. Oh, yep, bus. Car service for high rollers. And on the plane is an Airbus A320 200.
Hi, hello.
Donka. Alright. This is Russia. The end of the travels for the day. Weird video. Literally just saw a guy fall down because he was so drunk. Welcome to Moscow.